What's up, guys? We finished the story mode here. First mission, the first stages, and we got our 10,000 gems. So let's go jump into the summons and do 2 multi-draws here. Let's see how many 5-star weapons we can get. So for completing the entire first stage, we'll go back in the world and show you what you need to do. You get 10,000 gems. That's a ton of gems, guys. So come on, 5 stars. So I think they all go in order. I'm not sure though. So we should be like all 3 stars, and then should be the 4 stars, and then the 5 stars. Oh, this is really bad. Look at all these 3 stars. Oh man, that's like everything is a 3-star. Alright, we got 1. That's probably the oh, we got 2. Good. Was it the same one? Ah, we got 2 of the exact same weapon. I don't know if we need 2 of the same weapon. So, Choco Blade for bartz. Double hand boost. Extra boost with mastery. Alright. Let's see here. Let's try it again. So bartz is one of the featured heroes as well. So as you can see on the banner, you're going to get these weapons a lot more common than other weapons. If you click on notices right here, it will show you the odds. So it's 5% chance for a... So clicking on the notice, it brings up this. Gives you some information on what you're going to get. You got a 90% chance to get one of these items. You're going to get a 5-star guaranteed no matter what, but it may be one of the other ones. So click on the drop rates here. You can see 5 stars, 5%, 4 stars, 30%, and 3 stars are 65%. And so it shows you here for the +1, these are the odds. 30, 30, 30, and then all these other ones have 0.4% to get. And you can't get anything but a 5-star weapon there. For the normal draws, you have 1.5% chance to get the featured items for the 3 heroes that are on the banner, and then you have 0.02% to get something else. Wow, craziness. So, yep, you get to see all the gotcha information. Kind of overwhelming there, but you can see how lucky or unlucky you are. We've seen a summon where a guy got like 6 5-star items in one pull. That was crazy. So let's do another one here. Hopefully we can get more than 2. 3 star, 3 stars. So yeah, I think they come all. And I think if you click on this, it will instantly take you to the end. But we want the suspense. We want the drama here, guys. Okay, 4 stars. Come on, 5 stars. 5 stars! Alright, 5-star. We got 1. 5-star, we got 2. Oh, we got 2 again. Alright, not too bad. We got 2 of the same ones this time. We got the enhancer for Warrior of Light. Alright, so we went 2 5 stars. 1 is guaranteed, and the other one, well, that's not bad. Out of 10 pulls, yeah, we definitely did okay. But should we reroll? Rerolling is the process of starting your game over and going through the tutorial again, earning the gems, and then redoing it to get better items. It makes your game stronger, faster, and more efficient in the future without having to spend any money. Because gems are going to be quite difficult to get. You're not going to be fed thousands upon thousands of gems, every day. You're going to be needing to conserve your gems if you're a free-to-play player, and only summon on the banners that you really, really like or really, really want the weapons for. That's going to be how you're going to have to play if you're a free-to-play player. If you're a paid player, it's not really going to matter. You're going to be able to summon whenever you want, so you're not going to care. But rerolling is a huge tactic for free-to-play players. It doesn't take that much time to reroll. So in the beginning, you get 5,000 gems very, very quickly, just after getting past stage 1-4. So you can do 1 summon and then see what you get there. I don't know, guys. So we've gotten a decent amount, but I think we're going to reroll just because I want to see like 3 or 4 yellow items here in one of the rolls. That would be kind of crazy. Alright, so check out the other videos on how to reroll. That's just the general basics of it. And I will talk to you guys later. Good luck in your pulls.